Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I decluttered and reorganized this closet. We recently went to my husband's parents' house for Thanksgiving and I helped my mother-in-law clean out and reorganize her closet. I wanted to share with you some tips and tricks to achieve a closet that you love. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button down below.
Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me.
I started off by helping her take almost everything out. I didn't want it to become too overwhelming by taking absolutely everything out, so we just started with all the stuff on the hangers and the shelves in the actual closet part. And then we also took out the shoes.
Don't give up on me. Promise you I'll be.
After taking everything out of the closet, we split everything up into 4 piles. We had a donate pile, a sell pile, a keep pile, and a throw out pile. For the donating, don't ever forget that you can donate to a homeless shelter. A homeless shelter will always be willing to take stuff, and it really can be helping somebody. If you have some items that you would like to sell, you actually have a few different options. You have consignment stores, Facebook Marketplace, but then there's also the website ThredUp. It's a great resource for selling and buying clothes. They actually will just send you a bag to fill up, and you send it back, and they let you know what they will give you money back for. I have definitely found that taking all of the items out of the closet and touching every single item helps you realize what you really want to keep and what you are willing to let go.
Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Promise you I'll be.
Because the pile of shoes was so big, I started out by sorting these out so it would be a little bit easier for her to go through and a lot faster so that I could get that pile out of the way. I actually did not film all of the sorting process. It was a lot to go through, so we were just trying to get through it as fast as possible. To add a little extra organization, we picked up one of the door shoe rack pouch things, and then also some more of those wonderful 12 by 12 cubes from Walmart that I love so much. These are almost about $6 a piece. And this is the finished product. She already had this wonderful IKEA shelf where those cubes fit perfectly. We also color coordinated all of her hanging clothes from lights to darks, covered the purses with the bags that come with them. On the bottom shelf, we have her skirts and her pants. Then I also folded all of her jeans in a way that she could see what she had and what she had to choose from. And this rack, we actually added 2 extra shelves after we finished all of the filming. And if you remember from the beginning of the video, this is about 1/3 of the shoes that she started with. Over here we have hats in this bin, and I sorted them in a way that you could see all of the items. She has leggings in this bin. Sorting your clothing like this really does help keep you organized and realize what you have so that maybe you don't repurchase something you already own. We have an empty box. This is just kind of miscellaneous stuff that we weren't sure what to do with yet. cold weather stuff like scarves and hats. And then more cold weather like vests and light jackets. We put all of her flats and smaller shoes into the shoe pouch, plus a few other things at the bottom. She actually really loved that. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you. Thanks.